In this video, we're unboxing and demonstrating a torque wrench on a Ford F-150 Raptor. We have a tool storage case, product manual, calibration certificate, gloves, torque wrench body. Next, we will explain how to use the torque wrench. This is a large-sized torque wrench, compatible with 1/2-inch drive sockets and extension bars. Its torque range is 60 Nm to 330 Nm. 44 foot-pound to 243 foot-pound. This is its torque range. When using a torque wrench, do not use it to remove over-tightened or rusted bolts. It is only used for tightening bolts and applying the correct torque. When applying torque, do not exceed the torque range. Otherwise, the torque wrench may be damaged. After use, be sure to reset it back to 0. To avoid affecting accuracy, after removing the cap at the bottom, calibration can be performed underneath to adjust the accuracy of the torque wrench. This selector lever can be adjusted left or right. Left is the counterclockwise direction. Right is the clockwise direction. Next, we will use a large 21 mm deep socket and a large short extension bar to demonstrate torque wrench operation. Assemble the socket and extension bar. Then press the button on the torque wrench. To unlock the drive head, install the extension bar. You can adjust your desired torque setting here. Pull down the locking ring, then rotate the handle. After adjusting to the correct torque, lock the ring back in place. Next, we will use the wheel lug nuts on a Ford F-150 Raptor as an example. After adjusting to the required torque, install the socket, tighten the bolt. When you hear the clicking sound, the bolt has reached the correct torque setting.